Barlow Creations, Crafting on a Budget. Today's video is another Dollar Tree hack, and this hack is using Dollar Tree's transparent contact shelf liner. This hack has saved me so much money, so let's jump into it and let me show you this amazing hack using this transparent shelf liner. You're not gonna wanna miss this. For this hack, I picked up this roll of transparent shelf and drawer liner for $1 at the Dollar Tree, and it measures out at 18 inches by 1.5 yards. Make sure to stay tuned after this hack to see 2 DIYs that I do. One using the vinyl that I use in this hack, and the second DIY is an alternative to the vinyl for the same DIY. With my Cricut, I've taken and cut this decorative leaf out of vinyl. I'm going to take my transparent paper Now I'm going to take and peel the back off my transparent paper. Then I'm going to take and place it directly on top of my vinyl cutout. Then taking my scraper, I'm going to take and rub it over the top of my vinyl, so the vinyl will adhere to the transparent paper. Then I'm going to take and remove the backing to the vinyl. Leaving our vinyl on the transparent paper. Now using this tile, I'm going to apply this vinyl leaf to the tile, showing you how this clear transparent roll works as a transfer paper for vinyl. The vinyl that I'm using for this project is this Scissor Easy Wood vinyl. You can find it at Michael's or on Amazon. And there you have it. Clear shelf liner paper that we picked up from the Dollar Tree for $1 a roll that you can use as vinyl transfer paper, which is a huge money saver. It's been about a week since I started filming this DIY. I abruptly had to stop filming because something came up. I went to edit this video and realized I never finished it. So there is a nail polish change here because I am finishing it now. Picking up where I left off, I am making this as coasters for my tables. And so because the back is rough, I'm gonna take my felt. Now stay tuned because I'm gonna show you an alternative to making these coasters if you don't have a Cricut cutter or vinyl. I'm gonna trace it. And just that easy, we've made a coaster for our table that you can personalize. If you have a Cricut and you're cutting out vinyl, what about doing a monogram and gifting a set of tiles? Amazing, inexpensive gift. Let me show you a quick alternative that I've already used in a previous DIY if you don't have a Cricut and can't use vinyl. Using Dollar Tree's dishwasher safe decals that they've just started carrying, this is an amazing alternative to using vinyl and your Cricut. And would you look at how fun these are? I love these. And how much did this cost me? 19 cents per tile, one set of Dollar Tree's decals that comes with 2 stickers. It's less expensive to make 2 of these DIY coasters than it is to buy the ready-made ones at the Dollar Tree, where you're only getting 1 for $1. This set here cost me $1.40 to make. To make a set of 5 would be $3. You'll have to stay tuned for my upcoming DIY on using more of these tiles that I've picked up from Lowe's. Kayla, Allie, and I will be doing an amazing DIY. Well, everybody, that's all I have for you for today for this Dollar Tree hack. And this hack I think is pretty amazing. I was super excited when I ran across it because now it is gonna save me so much money when I am working with my vinyl. Vinyl transfer can be a bit pricey, so now knowing that I can just go to the Dollar Tree and pick up a $1 roll of their transparent shelf liner whenever I need the vinyl transfer is just amazing. I don't have to go out and spend that $20 for a roll of vinyl transfer anymore. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget, more everything on a budget videos to come. And if you click it again when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. You can also follow me on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Google+, and Twitter. You can find those links in the description box below. Just click on those links, click follow, and you'll also be notified through social media when I'm uploading a new video or just doing something fun. You can also find my P.O. box in the description box below as well, if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy everything on a budget, and bye for now.